Mic check, 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 mic check. Request all players, please assemble for the closing ceremony. We assure you this is not going to take more than 10 minutes. Request all players, please assemble for the closing ceremony. ये ले लेना विकी विकी ये ले लेना ये नीचे वाले सब ले ले छोटे वाले 3 रहेगा बेस्ट बॉलर वो देख उधर 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 ये दीवा कप है ये हटा देने का है बराबर है ये दो डबल 3 है ना और से दिलवाते हां सोम भी है I request all players please assemble. Winning team. NSG, request your attention here. पहला MVP वो सब देंगे तो आप रुक जाओ क्योंकि आप चैंपियन भी दे रहे हो ना लास्ट अवार्ड उससे दिला निखिल भाई इसका फोटो लेके इंस्टा पे पोस्ट करने का हां करता रहे बाहर हां तो आप विनर आपको ट्रॉफी दो ठीक है Thank you to both the teams for entertaining us for a wonderful finals, first ever 2 innings, rather 4 inning finals. Big round of applause for both the teams. It's the first time ever we had a test match format 5 overs and interesting hua beach mein. Thank you for the performance. Thank you to all our sponsors. Sairaj being a prime sponsor and of course the team owners. Without your support, I think this would have been incomplete. So big round of applause to all our sponsors. In interest of time and letting both the teams enjoy, we are going to conclude with the awards. I request Dr. Pratik, one of our privileged team owners, to please come on stage. So we will be handing over the individual awards as per Crick Hero stats, starting with the best batsman. And the best batsman, of course, we all know, is Rohan Pandya. Round of applause, please. 107 runs. Vicky, trophy. एक सेकंड ट्रॉफी दो उधर ही ये आगे में हाँ ये रहा the naughtiest batsman of the day वो ट्रॉफी के लिए विनर रनर अप Congratulations, Rohan. Next, we move on to the underrated category, which is the bowler, because we are known, Janu Pada is known, and Five was always known for batsmen. But there's one player, one bowler who proved everyone wrong. Big round of applause for Shailesh, best bowler. Good fight by Shailesh in the last over. Fell short by just one ball. Just a quick reminder, respective cash prize awards will be credited into your account in 24 hours for best bowler, best batsman, MVP, runner up and winning team. Congratulations, Shailesh. And now for the big award in the individual category, which includes batting, bowling, fielding, and of course, pushing your team right to the finals. We've seen the best batsman, we've seen the best bowler. Now we are going to look at the most valuable player of the tournament in the 40 plus naughty category. Any guesses? Any more names? Okay, I'll give you top three because the others have also put in a lot of effort. So let's announce the top three. Big round of applause for the superstar batsman who came number three, Bhushan. Round of applause. Who came runner up in the MVP by just 3 points is Rohan. Round of applause for Rohan. And the most valuable player is from Turf Royals, Shailesh. Congratulations, Shailesh, once again. May I now request Soham to come on stage? Soham from Kingsfield. Quick reminder, runner up and winning team. Flat 20% off on your overall bill. अभी जा सकते हैं अभी जा सकते हो और एनी टाइम विथ योर टीम फ्लैट 20% फॉर द टीम ऑन द ओवरऑल बिल नो कंडीशंस सो आई वुड नाउ रिक्वेस्ट द रनर अप कैप्टन सतीश प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज अ बिग कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू सतीश एंड टीम या first take a individual photo and then you call the team. So I request Dr. Pratik and Soham to please hand over the runner-up trophy to Satish. May I request the team members also, please come. Satish, there is also cash prize which will be credited into your account in the next 24 hours. Please come. A big round of applause for Turf Royals, please. Good fight right until the end. Fell short by just one ball. Good job and congratulations once again, Turf Royals. Satish, well led. जास्त वेळ नाही लागणार सो वी हॅव ऑफ कोर्स द विनिंग टीम आवाज आ रहा है बिफोर वी गिव अवे ऑफ कोर्स द ट्रॉफी एंड इनवाइट द टीम मे आई रिक्वेस्ट द ओनर एंड द कैप्टन सौरभ सोमानी टू प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज ओनली ठीक है दोनों दोनों सो क्विक क्वेश्चन पहली बार 2 innings फॉर्मेट हुआ है सौरभ एंड फर्स्ट इनिंग में अच्छा खासा लीड था बट यू सॉ हाउ टफ रॉयल्स ट्राई टू मेक अ कम बैक हाउ डिड यू एंजॉय द फॉर्मेट और क्या चैलेंजेस आए
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank the bunch of this 11 guys who has given their heart and soul today from last 11 hours, 12 hours. I needed only 12 hours and it was tremendous. As far as format was concerned, I think backyard always surprises, and it was no different. So बहुत अच्छा था, मज़ा आया। 40 प्लस के टूर्नामेंट में 40 प्लस जैसे खेले हैं हम लोग, -40 वालों को शर्म आएगी। We have made ourselves proud. Come on. So thank you very much, Backyard, and enjoy the two inning format. Thank you.
Something from you, Rohan, please. Anything?
I like to congratulate my team. They have played very well, especially Anurag, Vidya, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohan. So, I see some surprise element coming from the team, लेकिन हम इतना इजीली ट्रॉफी नहीं देंगे आपको। उसके लिए कुछ एक सिग्नेचर दिखाना पड़ेगा बिफोर वी हैंड ओवर द ट्रॉफी।
बैट लेके आओ, बैट लेके आओ, कमांडर, कमांडर, बैट लेके आओ,
जैसे रोहित,
बैट लेके आओ, बैट लेके आओ, बैट लेके आओ, बैट लेके आओ, सब बैट लेके आओ, सब बैट लेके आओ। हाँ, कमांडर बन के आएंगे ना अपन।
ये रहा ना बैट, ये लो।
मैं और एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा। बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा, क्योंकि मेरा ये डेब्यू ओनरशिप था, और डेब्यू ओनरशिप में ट्रॉफी उठाना इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग। बट बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा कि एनएसजी कमांडो नाम ही क्यों। तो एनएसजी कमांडो का बैकग्राउंड है बिकॉज इट बिलोंग्स टू माई फैमिली, एन फॉर माई वाइफ, एस फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड जी फॉर माई सन नेहा, सौरभ एंड ग्रंथ। सो इट इज डेडिकेटेड टू देम।
That is a very sweet gesture. I think you're taking back home with the winning trophy. एक signature move. Cameras are ready. People are ready. Let's go. Okay, I request Dr. Pratik and Soham, please hand over the massive trophy to the one and only, the champions, Energy Commandos.
Come on, team, come on, come on. Team, team.
अरे मोदी भाई, मोदी भाई, मोदी भाई, वो उसी का, सौरभ का ही है। Can we have a round of applause, please? We now have a champagne